This 5-minute solution will show you how to change app icons on iPhone iOS 17. Follow these simple steps to do it. First of all, open the shortcut app. Tap on this plus icon. Tap on this eye icon. Tap on Add to Home Screen. Tap on this app icon. Choose Photo. And now you can select any photo for your app icon. You can crop the photo and tap on Choose. And now from here, change the app name. I'm giving here Snapchat. Tap on Add. So that's how we can change app icon on iPhone iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.